Looking for a reliable screen protector for your iPhone? The TOCOL 2+1 pack has you covered. This set includes high-quality tempered glass screen protectors to protect your screen. Thanks to the easy installation frame, applying the protector is quick and bubble-free. It's ultra-clear, case-friendly, and maintains the iPhone's touch sensitivity, so you won't even notice it's there. This must be really one of the easiest screen protectors I ever applied. Clean your screen, place the installation frame, peel off the wrapper, and done.